Hi, I'm Dave from the PortaParsonage, and guess what? Today is the day. I've got the car moved out, and I'm getting the garage squared away. But in any case, it's all cleared out so that today we pull the camper out of storage, and then we'll be pulling it right up to the garage door where I can work on it. I've got new tires that are going to be put on it soon, and a TPMS system, and a GPS system as well that I'm getting ready to square away. And so you'll have to stay tuned. We'll see what's going on. Well, we're back from storage. I'm in the parking lot at the church and getting ready to head on up. Okay, so we're going to be heading right up through there, and we'll give some recording of that until we park. Well, we're back home. Back where we belong, at least for now. This is, after all, the PortaParsonage, so it's made to move. And her name is Frida, because she's free to go wherever she wants. See you soon.